Oh man, am I excited for today's video. I've been wanting to know my blood type for a very, very, very long time. It's supposed to be really accurate if you do it right, so I better not screw it up. So excited. I'm so excited! I hope I don't have to get back up. It's probably gonna have a bunch of stuff I have to go get, right? I didn't want to know anything before I started this. I wanted this to be a complete surprise. So we have instructions here. That's obvious. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to be mixing my blood with a specific monoclonal antibodies on the Eldon card so I can determine my blood type. Let's find the whatever. This is like a little dropper. We've got, what the hell? Oh, I guess this is to spread my blood on the little paper. And then there's a cotton pad in here. I guess I should move my beverage. Give myself some room. Do I need scissors to open? No, okay. I guess this is the card. Okay, where's the thing that sticks to my finger though? I mean, I have that at home, but I thought they were gonna give me one. So it says materials required but not provided. A glass with water, a clock, or a timer. So I do have to get up. I hope I don't have to get back up. It's probably gonna have a bunch of stuff I have to go get, right? Okay, I got a shot glass because I'm not gonna go crazy. I don't need like a massive thing of water, and now I'm out of breath. Good Lord. Give me a second. There's hair. I swear, once your hair starts falling out, it literally is everywhere. Okay, so I got the materials I need. Read the instructions for you thoroughly, because I don't want to screw this up. Where's the thing that tells me exactly how to do it? Oh, duh. Step number 1. I'm going to write my personal data on the Eldon card. No, come on, They did not say, please include a pen. That should have been listed under the materials required. I just moved a pen across the, I swear to God. Okay, hold on. I swear to God, I have to get up one more time. Write my info on the card. I know myself, I don't understand why, but whatever. So we have my name, my address, my signature, my date. Okay, you know what? I guess this is so if you want to carry it in your wallet. I literally just got up for nothing. Okay, so it has these little circles. You mix your blood with each one and it does different things, and then the way it reacts on the actual circle will correspond with this chart right here, and that'll tell you what you are. I don't see a lancet. Oh my God, there's something else in here. Guess what? It's a lancet. I'm not scared about this. I used to have to prick my blood a million times a day. Swing your arm to increase the blood flow. Yeah, no. Stretch and puncture the soft skin. No. FYI, if you ever have to get your finger pricked, going like this makes it hurt like a billion times worse. I'm just saying, when doctors do that, it hurts a billion times worse. You don't need to do that. Squeeze it after. Prick and then squeeze. Don't squeeze and prick, it hurts worse. Blah, blah, blah. Then I get my blood. Massage your finger. So gross. There's these white things and each one needs a drop of blood in it. Place the stick with the blood in the center of each reagent circle, or however you say it, reagent. Take a new stick and transfer it, do it quickly. Then I stir each circle with its proper Eldon stick for 10 seconds. Spread the mixture of blood, water, and reagent carefully within the entire circle. Take care to avoid mixing between circles. So it says 10 seconds plus 10 seconds plus 10 seconds plus 10 seconds equals 40 seconds. Thank you. Read the result, preferably before drying the card. Note your blood type on the card. Use an Eldon foil to cover or mount the card, never before completely dry. Oh, it gave me a laminate. Cool, all right. This is like a lot of pressure right now. Please don't screw this up. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. Focus, Jenny. Focus. I'm going to apply a small drop of water in each circle. I don't know what they consider small. All right, so here we go. Okay, there's water in each one. Prick the crap out of my fingers. Take the lancet and twist the colored tip. Pull off the tip to safety, lancet, blah, blah, blah. I'm not gonna clean my finger because I don't care. Blood time. So I'm gonna puncture myself. Okay, hopefully that's enough. Please be enough. It says I roll it all the way in this circle, make sure it's in the same circle and fills up the entire thing. Oh my God, I look like a bloody horse, man. The thing is if you're gonna squeeze your finger and put it on the thing at the same time, like you have to use both hands to do that. I hope I'm using enough blood for this. I'm gonna take this, stop my finger from bleeding. So now I have to hold it at different angles. So I have to hold my card like this for 10 seconds. It's gonna go everywhere. Oh my God, it's totally gonna go everywhere. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it says to go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go upside down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go the other way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my God, it's mixing. I hope I didn't just screw that up. I think I just screwed that up. Okay, I don't think this is right. I hope that it didn't mix it and screw it up. B ran into A like a tiny bit, but A had already started like forming. But when I pulled it back, A ran into B. This is so stupid. It says to tilt it, but the water runs everywhere, so you can't. So now I just have to wait, and it should do it almost immediately, and then I have to look at these. I definitely am not O negative, because I can tell that already. I don't know. So my first one for A has a ton of speckles in it, like all over. For AB positive, there's a lot of speckles in A, and they're light, because they have like speckles in dark. For AB negative, there's a lot of speckles in A, and for invalid, there's a lot of speckles in A. Just sticking to my finger, that's, you know how gross that is? It's really gross. For B, it only has like a tiny bits of little specks. That's one I think is really messed up. So it still could be AB positive, and it still could be AB negative. Then for AD, it has like a darker thing to the left. I'm AB negative, I totally am, because there's no speckles in the third one for me. Yeah, because it's fully, there's a little bit of speckles. I'm either AB negative or AB positive, but I'm pretty sure I'm AB negative because do you see how it has kind of like the darkness and it's all red? That's what mine primarily is. With AB positive, it's speckled, but there's no fullness. And mine has a lot of fullness, but a little bit of speckling. And I'm thinking the speckling might be from number A because it ran in. So I'm AB negative. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna Google it. There's literally blood all over my hand. Okay. So I guess I'm universal plasma, but not universal blood. I mean, this is like a lot of science. This is still on my finger, by the way. So I'm fairly certain this is accurate. Anything else? No, wait. I'm either A negative or AB negative. And I honestly can't tell because there are speckles in this B, but they could be from A. Okay, I'm either A negative or AB negative. All right, well now I know. I wish I really know, but now I 50% know. I'm a freaking idiot who, well no, you know what, I'm not an idiot. These instructions like sabotaged my flight. Anyway, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are interested in getting your own blood checked, I'll put the link below. I will remember, Jenny, please remember, please remember, please remember. I usually forget or I'm too lazy. This is not sponsored. I just found this on Amazon. It was really cheap and it's Prime eligible, so I had it delivered and it came in a couple days. Tell me below, do you think I'm A negative or am I a B negative? Because I'm one of those two. Other than that, I will see you guys whenever I decide to film a new video.